The LB7 is the very first generation of Duramax engines. It was used in heavy-duty GM trucks from 2001 to 2004. While these trucks have proven themselves to be workhorses over the years, one weak point that continues to cause problems is the FICM, the Fuel Injection Control Module. The FICM manages fuel injection operation in your Duramax, and when it goes bad, you'll commonly see crank no start conditions or a U0105 diagnostic code showing a loss of communication with the FICM. These failures can strike without warning and completely disable your truck. Due to the lack of replacement options, most LB7 owners end up trying to find a used module. This is very risky, as the FICMs fail because of wear components, and used FICMs are likely at the end of their usable life. At Circuit Board Medics, we provide an affordable repair service that addresses the root cause of the failure to extend the life of your module. Our process is simple and straightforward. Just purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll get an email with detailed shipping instructions for sending your FICM to us. After we receive it, we'll completely remanufacture and test it within 1 business day, then ship it right back to you. When your FICM arrives, it's plug and play, no programming necessary. Just bolt it back in and you're back on the road. If you're ready to restore your Duramax to full operation, visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or call us at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.